Recently, I have had 3 people approach me saying they're fed up of being stuck with these horrific clients who always, they add extra shots on the day. They want the budget reducing, but the shot list increasing, and then they're disappointed in the quality of the images. And the last 3 of them, at least, that I remember, it was happening to them for the same reason. All of them had the same reason for this happening. And that was their portfolio was made up of the images shot for those clients. And yes, of course, the work you shoot will be your portfolio. But if you're not happy with the clients you have, you need to create a new portfolio. You must create a new portfolio. You will get the bookings that your work suggests you should have. If I started posting loads of portraits, I'd stop getting food work. If I posted loads of very rushed, cheap portraits, I'd start getting loads of very rushed, cheap portrait clients. If I started posting portraits that were taking me days in prep, a day in post, and having a whole crew on set for the day and creating really good work, I would be receiving those clients. It seems really obviously simple, but it is a problem which I keep seeing photographers doing. If you're sat there going, I'm not getting the clients I want, the problem is not anybody else, it is you and your portfolio. You need to put that work together for the clients you want to get. Now, a bit of homework I've given all of my current one-to-one clients, and myself included, is to make a list of the 10 clients that are your dream clients. And I think everyone should do this. Make that list, the 10 people you'd love to shoot for. Once you have that list, work out what it is they're looking for. Go and create it. Go and create it off your own dime, off your own back with your own time. Get your crew in, pay your crew to come and create that work. Because these people, your dream clients, they will not book you if they cannot see themselves in your work. If they look at your work and go, well, this isn't for me. For example, dream client for me is McDonald's. I was hoping to get it done this year. It didn't happen. Bit gutted. Came close, didn't happen. But for me, I didn't have a portfolio which said McDonald's book me. But now I'm working on that because they're top of my list. There's also a few other brands you'll notice from the work I'm producing, probably who I'm targeting at the moment, but that is how I get the clients I want. When I want to shoot for somebody, I create a body of work which says, look at me, I do what you need. Come and work with me. I have the quality of work, I have the style of work, and I have the content of work. So you should be looking to work with me. I hope this helps somebody get out of the rut they're in. I hope it helps you push yourselves forward. Go and do the task, get that list of 10 clients, do some research, break down what that brand's about, break down who it is they are, break down what they want and what they're looking for. Now, there's loads more you can do with this with the marketing to actually target them, but that's for another day in another video. But crack on with this. Join our Facebook group if you want to. We have a lot of help in there for this sort of thing. We do a lot of sharing of links and sharing of methods and all the rest of it to help everyone get the clients that they want to get. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.